Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Have you ever wondered what you would look like if you combined your picture with a celebrity or with someone else? Or what your parents' features would look like blended together? Face swapping and face morphing have become incredibly popular. It's basically a trend at this point, allowing you to merge two faces into one hybrid image. However, it is an important distinction. While FaceApp is excellent for retouching and transforming a single face, its core functionality does not include a dedicated face swap or Morph Two Faces feature. But the app excels at applying filters to a single person's face like Asian, as you see here, adding makeup, basically a smile, retouch, whatsoever. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and try give information about all of this, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, you should understand that face swap is not a standard face tool that you would easily find, since FaceApp's AI works by detecting the features in one primary face and then applying transformation based on its pre-trained neural network. Then, how to use the face swap feature if the button even exists? So some other original versions of FaceApp may still have a direct face swap function. Check your main editing toolbar, talking about this one here, and look for a face swap option. If you see it, the process is simple. Choose the base photo, select the face swap tool, then pick the second photo containing the face you want to swap it, or basically to swap in, adjust the alignment, and let the AI process the merge. There is also this alternative method. It's basically a freestyle with the eraser tool. If you don't have the dedicated button, start with a photo of person B, for example. Apply a style, smile, whatsoever. Go to settings, three dots, and use the eraser tool, basically to merge the person A with person B. So that's the idea. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.